In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image banner on Shopify. This is a great way to make your store look more professional and visually appealing while highlighting promotions, collections, or featured products. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click on Customize next to your active theme. Once the theme editor opens, look for the Add Section option on the left side panel. Click Add Section and select Image Banner from the list. After adding the section, click on the Image Banner area to open its settings. Now click Select Image. Choose an image from your Shopify library or upload a new one from your device. Once your image is uploaded, click Done. You can also customize the banner text button and layout settings to match your store design. When everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner. Now visit your Shopify store and you'll see your new image banner live on the homepage. That's it. You've successfully added an image banner to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.